Hey, what's up, family? You're rocking it with your travel buddy, also known as your travel hero. And in my last video I dropped, I showed how DreamTrips is knocking Booking.com smooth out of the water with their prices. Today, I will be displaying how we're doing the same thing to Expedia. Hey, I'm telling you all, the normal travel agencies cannot keep up with our prices. The normal travel agencies cannot keep up with our prices. And just to be clear, my mission is just to eradicate a problem that dwells in every home in America. And what is that, you may ask? That's how to find affordable travel so we can solve that inner nomadic passion for traveling that we all have inside. We all have the urge to travel, but why don't we do more traveling? It's because of time and expenses. Well, guys, I'm showing you a concept that has never been done in the travel industry before. How you can get your time back and how you can find affordable travel on a day-to-day basis. So with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. Remember, again, you're rocking it with your travel buddy, aka your travel hero, saving you the headache, taking the guesswork out of, and eliminating the stress that's associated with booking travel on a traditional basis. You guys, today our destination is gonna be Playa, Mexico. You guys, that's another bucket lister for a lot of people, and I'm gonna show you how you can, through our concept, you can check this off your bucket list and get it behind you and create experiences that you and your family will cherish for time to come. So, okay, I'm just gonna get into it. This is the Fives. This is a four-star resort in Mexico, you guys. Just a brief description. The Fives Beach Hotel and Residencies offer its guests excellent amenities and five-star service surrounded by incomparable views of the Caribbean Sea. I'm already sold. The oversized, luxurious, and tastefully designed accommodations are ideal for any guest. The tropical mangrove setting, guests of all ages appreciate plenty of on-site offerings, including a private beach. I'm sold. Infinity and lazy river pools. I'm sold again. And a plaza with restaurants, bars, and shops. Guys, I'm sold already. Just sign me up. And for the price I'm seeing over there, just go ahead and sign me up, you guys. And here we go. Guests may also enjoy of guests may also enjoy of an upscale all-service spa, swimming in one of our spectacular pools and from the white sand beach with crystal clear turquoise water. Also from the facilities of 11 restaurants, 5 bars, kids club, teen club, and the personalized service of our butler concierge. You guys, so this is a family trip. This is a family resort. You can take your whole you can take your family on this trip if you like. Book 2 rooms, your spouse, the kids, and go out and get it in, you guys. This is an all-inclusive, all your meals, all your drinks. Look, an awarded wine list, nightly entertainment, and walking distance to the Grand Coral Golf Riviera Maya, you guys. Look, this is this is incredible. But anyway, let's get into the pricing. Let's say I'm a peak season type of traveler. I like to travel during peak season. I don't like to go to oceanic resorts with during the off season, you guys. I like to go during peak season. So let's say I want to book this. You can book between June through December, pretty much the whole last half of the year is available. I would like to go August the 3rd through the 6th. That'll be a perfect getaway. Rooms needed, just one for illustrative purposes. I'm gonna go ahead and add my traveler so we can get to discounting. Show you guys exactly how much you'll be paying for this compared to if you were just to go and do it by yourself on Expedia.com. 19, got to be over 18 to fly with us. Names have to be different, cannot be the same names. Boom, boom. I go 1997. Apply up to 100 Dream Trip points. It's like deducting $100 off of the already discounted price. This club just keeps getting better and better. All right, you see your total price would be $798, but with your deductions, it'll be $698. That's remarkable. Let's see what them guys at Expedia are talking about. Let's see what they are trying to overcharge you. And keep in mind, I have logged in. I used to be Expedia member. That's the way I used to travel before I discovered DreamTrips. So I have my ID and everything logged in as if I'm a member. Here we go. Same resort, you guys. The fives, beach and hotel residencies. You already see 235 a night, so you can already kind of get an idea of what you'll be paying. But just for those, and you can also see same dates, August 3rd through the 6th. I'm not trying to hide anything. August 3rd through the 6th, same date, same resort, just a different price. Again, you guys, I'm just trying to eradicate the problem that dwells in each household. We all want to travel, but we can't do it because it's too freaking expensive, as you can see. And just as soon as my computer stopped acting prehistoric like it is, we'll get to looking at some of these. We'll get to looking at the total prices and some pictures of this beautiful place. Alrighty then. Let's see, would love to show you some photos, but there we go, you guys. Here we go. Couple of photos of this nice, beautiful resort. Wonderful, family oriented, nice wood floors. That's sweet. That's nice. Beautiful. Beautiful resort, you guys. 5 star. You can't beat it. Wow. Relaxation. Be a nice, nice, nice summer getaway. Family oriented again. Wonderful. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all these. It's over 60 some photos. Oh, imagine that. Imagine you and your spouse having dinner, watching the sunset, or maybe breakfast, watching the sunrise out on the beach. If you're planning on proposing, fellas, that looks like the perfect opportunity right there. Wonderful, wonderful. But anyway, let's get into what Expedia wants to charge you guys. Let's scroll down. Let's say I'm gonna go ahead and pick the recommended. I'm gonna go ahead and pick what's recommended for me. That would be 235 a night, and you also have the non-refundable 304 standard essence 527 square feet, 2 double beds, 1 king, sleeps 4. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and reserve the cheapest one they have available, just to see what $903, you guys. If you were to book this amazing resort on your own, that's what you would be paying, you guys. $903 compared to $698. Over $200 you'll be saving. It's self-explanatory. It's self-explanatory. But that's what I wanted to show you guys, how DreamTrips are knocking agencies like Expedia and Booking.com smooth out of the water. They can't keep up. They cannot compete. So if you wanted to take this trip along the normal way with buying one resort, one room at one resort at a time and paying prices like these, feel free. But if you see any interest, if you have any interest or see any value in this product, you guys, the link to get started so you can access prices like these is always listed in my description below. So go ahead and feel free to click on that to get started. If you have any questions, my phone number will be listed in the description below. Give me a call. I'm transparent. There are no secrets here. If you have any questions, feel free to answer them. So if you do want to get started and you want to purchase our travel club, join our travel club and get to traveling with us, feel free to do so, you guys. Again, the link is in the description below. I'm ready to check out. I just wanted to show you guys what you're missing out on. Because if you are still booking travel through Expedia, through Booking.com, and not with DreamTrips, you are missing out and you are spending a huge amount of money, you guys. They're overcharging you. You don't have to do it that way. Here's another alternative. Anyway, the link is in the description below. I'm ready to be out of here. I'm running at 10 minutes. I like to keep it kind of short. Again, this is your travel buddy, aka your travel hero, saving you from the headaches, taking the guesswork out of, and eliminating the stress that's associated with booking travel the traditional way. And again, remember, don't talk to me unless it's about affordable travel or adding an additional stream of income to your life. Peace, you guys. I'm out. Have a blessed one. Stay safe, and let's get to traveling, you guys.